Let's see the Oxidia Backpack in depth. In addition to its professional look and comfort, its feature that makes it unique. It's expandable. Let's start from the outside. It's made with water-resistant materials. The straps are designed on 3 principles: ergonomic structure for optimal weight distribution, reinforced that can stand up to 3 times more than the normal backpack, and high-density foam padding to make it incredibly comfortable. Hidden in the handle, there's a secret pocket for cards, making it very quick to reach. Where the handles connect, there's a special compartment and also allows us to store documents. Every strap has Velcro ending, so that it can be rolled up and tucked away. Thanks to that, they don't hang out, don't get dirty, and show careful design down to the very last detail. This band makes it very easy to integrate with the trolley. It has a hidden pocket with heat-sealed zippers, which can pull a net bottle up to 32 ounces. The backpack has 4 compartments. The compartment for PC and tablet fits computers up to 15.6 inch, a tablet for up to 9.7 inch, and documents. Its fabric has a padded coating that protects equipment from bumps and scratches. Most importantly, it opens 180 degrees and is TSA approved. This allows you to pass the airport security control without removing the PC and tablet from the backpack. Just open it up and go. The second compartment is Oxidia's most special and innovative, the compartment for travel clothing. This compartment has a capacity to carry clothes for 3 or 4 days of travel. But if we open the zipper 360 degrees, it allows us to expand the backpack, increasing its capacity for up to 7 days of travel. This expandable functionality makes Oxidia a unique and special backpack due to its design, quality, and above all else, its versatility. It has the capacity of a cabin trolley, but it's not subject to its baggage fees. It always allows you to adapt its size according to your needs: long, short, urban, or weekend. Includes an airtight toiletry bag. Prevent any liquid that spills inside from staining clothes or wetting the rest of the backpack. It is transparent enough to facilitate airport baggage control. To keep your garments compact and wrinkle-free, it includes elastic bands in the shape of an X. In the third compartment, there are special pockets for all those things you use in your daily life. The RFID pocket protects your contactless cards from possible theft. Connect your power bank to charge your devices from the USB output of the backpack that includes a headphone jack. And the front compartment is designed to carry all kinds of accessories such as keys and passport with easy access. The Oxidia Backpack adapts to your business and leisure trips thanks to its expandable design. Oxidia, expand your trip.